If your sneeze could outrun a cheetah, you're a human germ missile. Ready for a blast of fun facts? That's like launching a germ missile down your hallway, and guess what? It can travel up to 26 feet. That's from your couch to your kitchen in one chew. But wait, there's more. In ancient times, people thought sneezes expelled demons. So if someone ever told you bless you, they were basically saying, congrats on that 100 miles per hour demon launch. Now let's bust some myths. Mythbusters style. Is it really 100 miles per hour? Well, the truth is it's more like 10 miles per hour. Still fast, but sorry cheaters, you're safe for now. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're not just clearing your nose. You're launching a tiny, speedy germ missile. Cover that mouth and may the sneeze be with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more myth-busting fun.